Wild Thing Wednesday! Yeah! Welcome back to In Support of Spiders. Today we'll discuss web aesthetic, focusing on the orb design. Right? Yeah, okay, let's go! Classic, genius, without math! This web is the picture of beauty and function. It's fitted with features all meant to fulfill every spider's most wildest dreams. Yeah! Constructed with a hyper-assembly of major ampullate super strong silk, it equips the stick of small tiny proteins to capture and fasten the fastest of flies. Ooh! It's wonderfully handy, with silky fine styling all made just for you. Why? Is that a fancy pearl necklace? Or simply an orb web all sprinkled with dew? Why, yes sir! No garden's complete without one of these. Orb webs, a little piece of beauty, coming straight from a tiny spider booty. This has been another episode of In Support of Spiders. Thank you so much for watching.